Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the remove filter function in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in Power BI plus DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported from the Excel to design this report and all. So first, if you look at here, so you can see that customer table, dim date, geography, product, category, subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important in Power BI. So for that, click on model. So collapse this to scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between these dimensions and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this key column, so I have enabled the relationship between the dim sales territory as well as the internet sales. Even we can understand what kind of direction, it's like a single direction or both the direction. So single direction only. So for timing, I have enabled it's a single direction because it's even you can enable the both direction, but it's up to the requirement. So even if you notice here, the filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table, so like that I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So I'll try to talk more on in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report on it. So now you can see that this is the matrix visual, and we have one slicer, that is a month name slicer. So if you look at it here, we can see that there are three levels. One is category level, another one is subcategory, another one is product. Okay, so these three levels I have used in matrix as well. So what I'm doing here is, so each level, so in this level we have the category. So each category wise, what is the sales amount? In accessories, so this is the sales amount. In bikes, this is the sales amount. In clothing, this is the sales amount. So by using remove filter, I'm just removing all the filters coming from the category. I'm just taking the total sales of all these three combination. So what is this three combination? 1258 519. So I'm taking here in this measure, and I'm taking the percentage of the, what is the percentage of contribution with respect to the each category wise. So in accessory categories, what is the percentage of contribution? 55 percentage. In bikes, 23 percentage. Okay, in clothing, 21 percentage. So like that I have created the sales percentage measure. So this measure is removing all the filters coming from the category table, and also so these values are coming from the September month. For example, if I click on May month, it will change March. So based on this month selection automatically, so the values are getting changed. Based on these values automatically, the percentage is also getting reflected dynamically. And also we can see that we have some symbolic icon representation. So based on the sales percentage, it's giving the different icons and different colors. For example, in this case 55% means excuse me, upside as well as green. So this is a different symbol, this is the different symbol. If I click on different month, you can see that, say this side different symbol, this time downsides. So like that, based on this percentage automatically the symbolic representation is changing, so that we can understand so which category is doing more, which category is not doing well. So this is category level. For example, when I drill down to further level, I mean subcategory wise. Okay, so each category, what are the subcategories? So each category, what are the subcategories? So for example, if you look at accessories, in accessories these are the subcategories. So each subcategory wise, what is the sales amount? In elements, this is the sales amount. In bottles and this is the sales amount. So this is the sales amount. Like that, each category each subcategory wise we have the sales under this accessories categories. So what I'm doing here in this level, I'm just removing all the filters coming from the subcategory. Okay, all the filters coming from subcategory, I'm taking the total of this subcategory sales in this accessories. Okay, and taking the percentage of contribution each subcategory wise. For example, if you look at here elements, what is the percentage of contribution? 37. And also bottles and case 27. This one is 27, 24. So like that, each subcategory wise we are taking the percentage of contribution. Based on that we can see that symbol icon representation, so that easily we can understand so which subcategory is doing well more, which subcategory is not doing well. And if you drill down to further level, it's like a product level. So each subcategory wise what are the products, each subcategory wise what are the products, I can see so many subcategories, so many products. So and also here we are removing all the filters coming from the products in this subcategory. In a element subcategory, these are the products. So each product wise this is the sales amount, and we are removing all the filters coming from the sub product wise. We are removing filters coming from the product, so that I am taking the total of these three product sales and taking the percentage of contribution each product wise. Okay, for example, in this product what is the percentage contribution? 34. In this one 33, this one 32, like that. So I'm just calculating the percentage contribution. But if you look at here in this subcategory, so this is the only one product, so that is the reason we got 100 percentage. Here also 100 percentage. But in this case in road bikes so many products are there, so that is the reason we got very low percentage, 6% something like that. Okay, now you can see, right? So likewise category wise we can calculate the percentage contribution, and also subcategory product. So each category wise we can understand so which one is doing well, which one is not doing well. So we'll try to look into what kind of expressions I have written to get this output and all. Okay, so just click on total sales. Let's try to zoom it. So now you can see that based on calculate some x function I have created the total sales, and also remove filter. So here I used is filter function because I need to take the percentage each level, for example in category level as well as subcategory level, and also product level. So each three levels I need to do that. So that is the reason I'm just using is filter function and removing the filters product wise. Here I'm removing the filters from the subcategories. Here I'm removing the filters category wise, and finally I'm checking so whether it is blank means blank, otherwise written this whatever the expression I have written it will execute. So likewise I have created, even I'll try to show so what is the background color and all conditional formatting I have done. So just icons, so it's getting open. So now you can see that based on this sales percentage measure, I'm just adding the rules. So if it is 0 to 10 means show this icon, if 10 to 15 this icon, 15 to 35. So based on what are the rules we have created, it will execute automatically. So like that I have designed the report. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.